So we're out here outside of Othello doing a side job, working on a guy's Weir irrigation, moving in the welders and getting ready to finish that up today. But I wanted to show you the field is getting disked and the seagulls have come. You know, in another video I was talking about how they fly up in the atmosphere like waiting to see a tractor, and then they come in and think they're getting the worms and the rodents. But that's better than them stalking out of McDonald's and waiting for you to throw french fries out in the parking lot. It's crazy how many of them are there. What are you guys doing? Having some free lunch? That's Highway 17 off in the distance over there. That's poop water way over there, getting sprayed on the field. Smells lovely around here.